Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Figma crashing issues in 2026. If Figma keeps closing unexpectedly, freezes during use, or crashes when opening files, this guide will help you solve the problem step by step. First, restart your computer and launch Figma again. Temporary system glitches can often cause applications to crash unexpectedly. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of Figma. Updates frequently include bug fixes and stability improvements. Now check your internet connection and ensure it's stable. Connection problems can sometimes trigger crashes while syncing files. If you're using the web version, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can affect Figma's performance. Next, try opening Figma in a different browser or an incognito window to rule out browser-related issues. Now disable unnecessary browser extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers that may interfere with Figma. If you're using the desktop app, close other programs running in the background to free up memory and system resources. Next, test opening a different file to see whether the crash is caused by a specific project. Now disable VPN services or proxy settings temporarily if they're affecting Figma's connection. Finally, reinstall the Figma application if crashes continue after trying all previous steps. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Figma crashing issues. Figma should now run more smoothly and remain stable while you work on your designs. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.